Welcome to this 4-bedroom house for sale in Wirral Park, Roodepoort, Gauteng, South Africa for R1,695,000. Enter this amazing family home and be welcomed by spacious open-plan living. 3 spacious living areas, neat kitchen with laundry, lounge with fireplace, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, main bedroom with water feature, study or could be 5th bedroom. This is where you want to be, flatlet potential or work from home, covered patio for entertaining guests, swimming pool, tranquil garden for kids to run free, domestic room plus storeroom, 2 garages with shelving, 2 carports, 2 side gates. If space is what you need, this is it. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.